In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download languages in Google Translate. By the end, you will have your chosen language ready to use even when your phone has no connection at all. On your Android phone, open the Google Translate app. Look for the familiar multicolored translate icon on your home screen or in the app drawer, then tap it. When the app opens, you should see two language names at the top, with a big text box in the middle and a keyboard ready at the bottom. If you see all that, you are in the right place to get started. Now look toward the very bottom of the screen and tap the language name shown there. It usually appears just above the navigation bar, and it might show something like English, Spanish, or another language you used recently. Once you tap it, a full list of available languages will slide up or open on a new screen, and you will see a long scrollable list arranged alphabetically. From there, slowly scroll through this list to find the language you want. Take your time here because there are many languages and some have very similar names. You can drag your finger along the right edge of the screen to move faster through the alphabet. When you see your target language, pause for a moment and double-check the spelling, since choosing the wrong one would download a pack you will not actually use. Next up, look just to the right of that language name for the small download icon. It looks like a simple arrow pointing down. If you do not see the icon, that usually means the language is already downloaded or not available for offline use. When the icon is visible beside your chosen language, tap that download arrow once. You should see a small prompt appear on the screen right after you tap. After that tap, a confirmation window will appear, showing the size of the language pack and the download button. This screen helps you understand how much storage the pack will use, which can matter on phones with limited space. If you are fine with the size, tap the download button to confirm. The window will close, and you will return to the language list, now with a progress indicator next to your chosen language. At this point, wait until the language pack finishes downloading. You will usually see a spinning circle or a progress bar next to the language name while it downloads. On a faster connection, this may finish in a few seconds, but on slower mobile data, it can take longer, so keeping the app open avoids interruptions. Once the download completes, the icon beside the language changes to indicate it is stored on your device. With the download complete, the language is now available for offline translation. That means you can pick this language in Google Translate, and it will still work even when you turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data. Today, you learned how to download a language pack in Google Translate on Android so you can translate offline anytime. If this helped you get offline translations working, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple guides like this.